Welcome to Automotive World, your go-to channel for everything on cars, bikes, and the automotive universe. Today, we dive into the Nissan 350Z, a car that has left a lasting impression on the sports car world. Known for its sleek design and impressive performance, the 350Z is a favorite among enthusiasts and has a lot to offer. The Nissan 350Z comes equipped with a powerful V6 engine that delivers exceptional performance. With a 3.5-liter engine producing up to 306 horsepower in later models, this car provides a thrilling driving experience. The rear-wheel drive system enhances handling, making it a joy to drive on winding roads. The 350Z also features a 6-speed manual transmission for purists who love complete control, though there is an automatic option for those who prefer it. The design of the Nissan 350Z is iconic. Its low, wide stance and aggressive lines make it a head-turner on the road. The exterior design blends aerodynamic efficiency with aesthetics, while the interior is built with the driver in mind. The seats are supportive and comfortable, and the dashboard layout is straightforward, keeping all controls within easy reach. The materials used feel premium, and the overall cabin experience is sporty yet refined. When it comes to performance, the 350Z is more than just speed. The car handles remarkably well, with a balanced chassis and precise steering. The suspension is tuned to offer excellent feedback, striking a good balance between comfort and sportiness. Its braking system is reliable, ensuring confidence in high-speed driving or sudden stops. Whether you're on a race track or enjoying a spirited drive on a scenic road, the 350Z delivers an engaging and satisfying experience. Despite its sporty nature, the Nissan 350Z is surprisingly practical for a two-seater sports car. It offers decent cargo space for its class, making it suitable for weekend getaways or daily driving if you don't need rear seats. While it doesn't have all the modern tech features found in newer cars, it comes with essential features like climate control, a premium audio system, and keyless entry. Over the years, the 350Z has developed a reputation for reliability. Regular maintenance keeps it running smoothly, and parts are generally affordable, making it a great choice for enthusiasts on a budget. Its aftermarket support is impressive, allowing owners to customize and modify the car to their liking, from performance upgrades to aesthetic enhancements. One of the reasons the 350Z remains popular is its value for money. It offers a blend of performance, style, and practicality at a price point that is hard to beat. Whether you're a first-time sports car buyer or a seasoned enthusiast, the 350Z has something for everyone. That wraps up our review of the Nissan 350Z. If you love cars and enjoy exploring their features, reviews, and more, subscribe to Automotive World and join our community of automotive enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more reviews and exciting content, and thank you for being a part of our journey.